How do we solve this equation? Let's take natural log of both sides. So we have ln x raised to x equal to ln 2. Recall that ln a raised to m is equal to m times ln a. If we apply this property on this, we have x times ln x equal to ln 2. Now, recall that x is equal to e raised to ln x. This means that replacing this x with e raised to ln x, we have e raised to ln x times ln x equal to ln 2. This means that ln x times e raised to ln x is equal to ln 2. At this stage, let us recall this beautiful function, which is Lambert W function formula. It says w of a times e to the power of a is equal to a. Now, let's take Lambert W function of both sides. So that will be w of ln x times e to the power of ln x equal to w of ln 2. Applying this Lambert W function formula to this left hand side, we simply have what? That is ln x equal to w of ln 2. Exponentiating both sides, we have e raised to power ln x equal to e raised to power w of ln 2. But what is this guy? Let me show you. That is exactly x. So we have x equal to e raised to power w of ln 2. X is approximately equal to, if you plug this guy into Wolfram Alpha, you will get 1.55961. This is the required solution. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please share your tips. Please tell me if this video was helpful and subscribe to my channel. I would love to see you in my other videos as well. Have a good one.